nomenclature of substituted benzene, that is nomenclature of aromatic compounds. In IUPAC, during the nomenclature of aromatic compounds, the principles used are same as that of used in alicyclic and aliphatic compounds. The only difference is a large number of common names have been accepted in IUPAC. Hence, nomenclature of aromatic compounds is relatively simple. For example, this compound is benzoic acid. The name benzoic acid is retained in IUPAC also. Hence, in IUPAC also, this compound is named as benzoic acid. Remember that this compound is named as cyclohexane carboxylic acid in IUPAC, whereas this compound have its common name in IUPAC system also. So the name is simply benzoic acid. Similarly, a large number of common names have been accepted and retained in IUPAC system of nomenclature. This compound is called phenol, both in common system and IUPAC system. Similarly, this is aniline. This compound is benzaldehyde. This compound is anisole. This compound is toluene. These names are common names, but they are accepted in IUPAC and hence they are used during the nomenclature of aromatic compounds. The general principles are, if there is only one branch or substituent, its position is not indicated. For example, this compound is named as chlorobenzene. There is only one compound called chlorobenzene. That is, irrespective of position of chlorine in the benzene ring, all are equal and hence it are called chlorobenzene. All these structural formula correspond to chlorobenzene. In aliphatic compounds, for example, this is a 6-membered chain. If we attach chlorine at position 1, then the compound is 1-chlorohexane. If chlorine is attached on second position, then it is 2-chlorohexane. If chlorine is attached at third position, the compound is 3-chlorohexane. If chlorine is attached at fourth position, the compound is named as 3-chlorohexane. Because if chlorine is attached on this fourth carbon, numbering should start from right hand side. So 1, 2, 3. We have lower number for the carbon having chlorine atom. Similarly, if chlorine is attached at this position, it corresponds to 2-chlorohexane. And chlorine at a 6th carbon atom also corresponds to 1-chlorohexane. That is, 3 types of chlorohexanes are there. 1-chlorohexane, 2-chlorohexane, 3-chlorohexane. But in the case of chlorobenzene, there is only one compound. That is, chlorine can be at any position in the ring. If there are more than one branches bonded to benzene ring, numbering should be done in such a way as to get lowest set of locants. In this case, the compound should be numbered from this carbon atom so that locants are 1, 2 and 4. Hence the compound is named as 1,2,4 trimethylbenzene. If the lowest set of locants are identical, then alphabetical order is followed. For example, this compound have locants at 1 and 3rd position. Hence, alphabetical order is followed. Ethyl comes first in alphabetical order. Hence, this compound is named as 1-ethyl 3-methylbenzene. Alphabetical order is considered only if lowest set of locants are identical. The first priority is for having a lowest set of locants. If it is identical, then only alphabetical order is followed. For example, in this compound, numbering should not start from ethyl group, as it gives 1, 2 and 6 as locants. This compound should be numbered like this, so that lowest set of locants are obtained. Its IUPAC name will be 2-ethyl 1,3-dimethylbenzene. If lowest set of locants are identical, then alphabetical order is followed. This compound should be numbered like this. Hence its IUPAC name will be 1-ethyl 3,5-dimethylbenzene. If there are more than one functional groups, one of them is treated as a functional group or taken as a functional group based on a priority sequence, and all remaining functional groups are treated as branches. The order of priority of functional groups follows. COOH is having highest priority. This is followed by sulfonic acid group. Then comes ester group. Then comes acid chloride group. Then acid amide group. Then cyanide group. Then aldehyde group. Then comes keto group, then OH group, then NH2 group. Then comes functional groups nitro, halo, alkoxy. These have no priority. They are always treated as branches during the nomenclature. For example, if pencil ring is attached to one COOH group and one OH group, this compound is considered as a derivative of benzoic acid. So the compound is named as 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Here OH is treated as a branch. Similarly, this compound is named as 3-nitrobenzaldehyde. 3-nitrobenzaldehyde. COOH, here it is a CH3 group and here it is a OH group. This compound should be numbered like this. Then only we will get a lowest set of locants. OH have no priority. It is a branch in this compound. Priority is only for selecting functional group. Here the functional group is COOH, therefore OH is a branch. If we are numbering in this clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the locants will be 3 and 6. If we are numbering like this, anti-clockwise direction, locants are at position 2 and 5. Branches are at position 2 and 5. Therefore, we will get a lowest set of locants 2 and 5. While writing the IUPAC name of branches are prefixed within their alphabetical order. This branch is called hydroxy. This branch is called methyl. Therefore, its IUPAC name is 5-hydroxy 2-methyl benzoic acid. These are the major principles used during the nomenclature of aromatic compounds.